Welcome to the channel. If you've been researching where to host your website, whether it's a personal blog, a business platform, or a growing startup, and Hostinger has come up on your radar, then you're already making a smart decision. Hostinger consistently ranks among the best value hosting providers in the market. And today I'm going to show you how to make it even more affordable. Before we get into the tutorial, let me walk you through the two discount options available to you right now. The first and the better of the two is the 20% discount you get through my Hostinger referral link. This is the maximum discount currently available and it applies universally across every single hosting plan and service Hostinger offers. The second option is a promotional coupon code STUDENT15 which brings a 10% discount at checkout. The choice is yours, but from a pure value standpoint, the referral link is the clear winner. You'll find my referral link in the description below, organized by country with links available in your local language and currency. Simply locate your country, click the corresponding link, and you will be redirected to Hostinger's official website. The referral discount will be recognized automatically. You won't need to manually enter any code. Once you're on the Hostinger website, navigate to the products and services section in the top menu bar. From here, you'll get a comprehensive view of everything Hostinger offers, from shared and cloud hosting to VPS solutions and beyond. As I mentioned, the 20% referral discount is valid across all of these options. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be selecting web hosting and proceeding with the business web hosting plan, a solid choice for anyone running a professional website or small to medium online business. When you reach the checkout page, you'll immediately notice that the 20% discount has already been applied to your order. There is no additional step required on your end. One important thing to keep in mind: always register with an email address that has not been previously associated with a Hostinger account. This is essential for the referral discount to be recognized correctly by their system. That covers everything you need to get started. If you found this walkthrough useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more hosting deals, tutorials, and digital tools that help you build smarter online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.